Today we are talking about much feared skill, public speaking. And I can assure you, by the end of this video, you will know why public speaking is not only an integral step of your success, but an absolute essential skill too. I'll show you those 5 solid reasons why good public speaking will change the entire course of your life. So that's coming up. Hey, this is Nikhil from successwheels.com, where we talk about how to clap, communicate like a pro. And if this is your first time here, and if you want to improve your communication and public speaking skills, this is the channel for you. Start right now by subscribing and clicking on the bell icon so you don't miss any of our video. Alright? Let's accept it. Most people don't like public speaking. Public speaking, #1 skill for success, and is also a #1 fear for most people. No, really, there was this research at Harvard University, and researchers studied a group of people where they were asked if they would speak in public or go through electric shock for 5 minutes. And guess what? People prefer to endure the shocks. Shocking, isn't it? And if you stick with me on this channel, I guarantee you that fear will go away. See, if you shift your perspective and look at it as a communication, you will see you do it every day. You interact with your colleagues, friends, bosses, teachers, peers. And if you are able to take the same idea to a larger audience, you are on a way to a bigger success. Let's see what Warren Buffett is saying here.
I'm Caitlin Polcher. I'm an actuarial science major and I'm a junior. And you both have several managers working under you. So I was wondering, what are some steps that a new entrant into the job market can take to accelerate their journey towards an upper level management position?
Yeah, well, one thing I will tell you that I didn't realize when I was getting out of school is how much the unusual person will jump out at you. I mean, you know, and it isn't because they got 200 IQs or anything like that. It's really because of just how they behave, you know, what they bring, the energy they bring, the commitment they bring, the quality of how they do things, how they treat the people around them, all kinds of things. But you will jump out much more than you might anticipate. One of the things you would want to be sure to do is, whether you like it or not, get very comfortable, it may take a while, with public speaking, for example. I mean, that's an asset that will last you 50 or 60 years, and it's a liability if you don't like doing it or are uncomfortable doing it, that also will last you 50 or 60 years, and it's a necessary skill.
And if you're still going, can I really do this? Do I really need this? Just like what Warren Buffett said, it's a lifelong skill. Here are 5 invincible benefits of acquiring good public speaking skills, and I call it as 5 C's. First is confidence booster. Public speaking can surely send your confidence soaring through the sky. The very act of having an audience listen to you can be an exhilarating experience. Confidence means better career decisions, being your best under stress, influence others. You will have leadership and executive presence if you are confident. Your positive attitude will climb to the top if you are confident. Here is the second one, communication. Public speaking drastically improves your communication. You will never ever be stuck for words. Whether you are speaking from podium, talking to a customer, dealing with HR, good communication skills are a great asset in every situation. Here is the third one, career growth. Public speaking fast tracks your career growth. A couple of well-done presentations or speeches at your work will immediately get you noticed by higher-ups. A couple of good speeches at seminar or conferences will immediately establish you as an expert. That, my friend, is the true power of public speaking. Whether you are professional, student, business owner, public speaking is the skill that will help you grow in your chosen field. Here is the fourth one, convince people. This is complete no-brainer. The one core aim of public speaking is to influence decision making. So whether you are selling an idea or a solution or just your findings, public speaking helps you take it to an audience It helps motivate and inspire people to take action. So let's take an example. Let's say you are a business owner and you are being troubled by unresolved customer issues. How would you manage that? How would you manage to turn that tide in your favor? You take an opportunity to talk and communicate with your customer. And if you do it really well, you can actually persuade them to be a repeat buyer. Here is the fifth and final one. Change. Public speaking can help you bring that change with your knowledge and expertise. And if you are not sharing the knowledge that you have, the skill that you have to your team and community, you are being selfish. So let's not hold ourselves back for the fear of public speaking. We need to get out of this fear as soon as possible. Alright? Now, you know why public speaking skills are critical for success. It boosts confidence, accelerates career growth, vastly improves your communication, it helps shape opinions, and the biggest reason of all, it helps bring positive change in you and around you. Go ahead, let the world know what's up there in your mind. It might just be the best thing to boost your success. And we at successwheels.com are committed to walk with you on this incredible journey. So stay in touch with Success Wheels for most amazing videos and courses on public speaking. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'd be happy to help.